Hello, hello, and welcome again to Womble's Hive. It's Christmas season and we are on December the 3rd. So, it's Archie's countdown to Christmas. And we are on day 3, obviously. So, let's see if the paints are feeling as joyful and drop a number 3 right in front of us again. They do! Look at that, that's so cool. This is amazing. Can you imagine if it does that all the way through? It'd be so freaky, wouldn't it? Right, so let's put those away safe. Pop that to one side and we will show you this gorgeous shimmering lilac. So I'll twist it around a little bit, see if you can get the glitter effect as well as the shine that's on there. Absolutely stunning. It's like gold and silver, tiny glitter, and then like a metallic lilac as well. It's beautiful. So that was day number 2. We're now on to day number 3, which is Nordic. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Little Christmas trees and Christmas puddings. Nom 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 nom. Peel it away. So what colour do you think Nordic is, folks? As a person who's into Vikings and the Nords and whatnot, I'm not sure I can imagine what colour it is. I mean, they like stealing gold and silver, but other than that, it's all browns and greens up there. So let's have a see what colour it is. Have you guessed? It's like a sea green ice colour. Look at that. Now that does make sense because they are Vikings. They do go out on the sea. And it's super icy up in Scandinavia. Right, let's get some water on this and see. Because I can't see any glitter in this one, so it might just be a metallic. And that would be amazing. That'd be another colour that would be so cool to go with my kit I got earlier in the year for painting seaside pictures. So I'm just giving it a minute to actually activate the paint there. Let the water soak in a little bit. Oh, did you see that iridescence jump to the top when I touched it then? Let's let it sink again and see if I can make it do it. Look at that. That's excellent. Let's see how this goes down on the page. If the answer's not beautifully, I don't know what it's going to be. Oh, that is such a good colour. Let's get plenty of this paint on. I can actually see the iridescence swimming about in the paint. These are such good dot sizes as well so far, don't you think, guys? I love these little baubles. Gotta make sure you go out this edge though. Right. So that is Nordic and that is a beautiful colour. Obviously it's still wet, but hopefully you get a little bit of the idea what the colour is. Oh, can't wait. I'm going to get to see before you guys, but I will show you it fully dried tomorrow and you'll have to let me know what you think of Nordic. These colours are great. I'm so excited. It's Christmas. I hope you're all having a lovely time and you're getting ready and you're eating all your naughtinesses and just having a lovely fun time. Just go out there, find that little thing that makes you smile, and as always, be happy.